Good afternoon. Welcome to daily currency update from the currency desk. Yesterday we had largely sideways trading in the rupee against the US dollar pair, and we witnessed a trading range of 52.80 to 53.10, but in the end the closing was at the lower end of the channel, and hence we had a positive close for the Indian rupee, that is with gains. On the US front, we had some positive data in the form of increased industrial production data, which gave some support to the risk on assets and boosted some risk sentiments across the globe. Also from the EU front, we had some positive data. So all in all this has supported the Indian rupee to rally a bit against the US dollar. Also supporting the Indian rupee is the falling crude oil prices. Currently, we expect the dollar to fall up till the level of 52.50, which is a support for the USD INR pair. So at current levels, we recommend a sell with a stop loss of 53.01 in the spot. We had lots of happening in the euro front. First of all, we saw some rally in the euro against the USD based on the speculation that Spain would formally opt for a bailout package. Again, we had some set of positive data from the European front. First of them was the German due confidence data, which came in as per expectations. Another data was the Eurozone trade balance data, which surprisingly showed a surplus compared to the deficit in the same period for the previous year. Also, the last and the major positive for the euro was the Moody's rating agency, which refrained from giving in a downgrade to the Spanish debt. Euro rallied up to 1.32 levels, and currently we recommend a buy for the euro INR. But yes, it would be better if one could initiate a buy position above the resistance level of 69.10. In terms of GBP, we have a string of data releases this week. Yesterday we had the UK CPI data, which came in lower, which was a big positive for the pound. Ultimately, this increases the expectations of another round of QE coming in next month from the Bank of England, and this is especially being considered because the current round of QE, which was going on, has come to an end in the current month. Today we have the UK unemployment data, which could weigh in on the movement of the pound. All in all, we can expect the pound to track the euro movement, not only against the US dollar but also against the Indian rupee. Currently we recommend a buy at current levels with a stop loss of 84.84 in the spot. In terms of USD JPY, we are seeing finally some depreciation in the value of Japanese yen despite the the safe haven demand. This is mainly being attributed to the SoftBank acquisition deal, in which there has to be strong dollar purchase to be made by the Japanese company. We saw rally up till the high of 78.92 yesterday in the USD JPY pair, but we expect the rally to be capped at 79.22 levels. So similarly against the Indian rupee, we expect the yen to rally a bit. So it would be advisable to take in a buy position above the resistance level of 67.36 in the spot.